Hi, I'm Dan Finnegan and welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited to show you a technique I use to take my recipes to the next level. Whether cooking, baking, or making cocktails, this helps me achieve that wow factor. It's something I call the triple T threat. Taste buds, texture, temperature. Triple T, it's all about stack and balance. If you have something sweet, add something sour. If you have something crispy, add something creamy. If you have something hot, add something cold. Let's put it to the test with these ahi poke tacos. With sushi grade ahi tuna, cut into cubes and add to your bowl. Add diced green onions, soy sauce, and sesame oil, fresh grated ginger, Thai chilies chopped with seeds included, some fresh cilantro. Stir all ingredients together and marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. Cut your wonton wrappers into circles, lightly brush with egg wash, dust with sesame seeds, drape over a baking sheet, cook at 325 until golden brown. So that soy sauce adds a lot of umami, also adds a lot of salt. Let's balance it with an apple slaw. Start with some julienned apples, some fresh squeezed lime juice, some julienned carrots, a tablespoon of mayo for some creaminess, a touch of bitterness with Brussels sprouts chopped. Incorporate all your ingredients and start building your taco. Your marinated poke into the wonton taco shell, some avocado, add some kumquat slices, and now for your apple coleslaw, some radish and cilantro, and you are ready to eat. And we are done. Triple T threat, all in one bite. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami, crispy, creamy, hot and cold. Wow. This technique also works great with cocktails. Try this Thai chili margarita with fresh lime juice and a salted rim. Has a nice balance with sweet, salt, sour, and a touch of heat. Or try this warm fudge brownie with sea salt, caramel, raspberries, cool cream, and topped off with a spritz of bitters. Or just see what the Triple T can help you create.